Hey tribe, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. So this is another vlog. So I think this will be like a weekly vlog or a daily vlog, whichever one. But yeah, this will be another vlog, and today is just kind of like a chill day kind of vlog because there was no school on this particular day. So yeah, I have to show you guys how we do it when there is no school. And you guys, why is it that when there is no school, kids literally eat like 57 times a day and then snack like 107 times a day or something? It's just, oh my gosh, like you cook and cook and cook, and it's always so much. I'm like, my goodness, when is this going to stop? But yeah, whenever kids are at home, is always something else, honestly. It's always something else. And then I had to bring Olivia and Tiffany were busy brushing their teeth, so I had to bring in the two small ones to brush their teeth in here by myself. Because if you let them do it, you know how kids can be, they would never do it well. So I just bring them in to brush their teeth by myself. And I don't understand why kids don't even like brushing. They don't like brushing, they don't like taking showers, they don't just like anything. Like they just want to sit down and just play all day long and just do nothing. Look at him. Oh my gosh. And then it was Gia's turn, so I decided to brush her as well. And of course, we had our little struggle, but she's good now. I mean, I think she's getting better by the day because yeah, she's actually getting better. Unlike before when she wouldn't even show you her teeth or open her mouth at all. But now she's actually getting better. I mean, mommy's in the house, you guys will relate. Like kids are something else. And then of course we went ahead to have our beauty shower. I already showered them, so I did mine, and yeah. So now we are out. I just wore this boo boo gown. Listen, let me tell you, if you are like the type of person that you're always waiting to see people, or you're kind of like wanting to see people put on makeup and be at home all day, like nah, this is not the channel for you. Because listen, I keep it as real as it can be. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram or if you know me, then you know that I slay. Okay, I slay. But when it comes to like vlogs like this, nah, I don't like stressing myself. Like I don't like stress at all. After this and after cooking, I'm just going to go and lay down on my bed anyways. So I mean, I'm not saying appearance does not matter, but I don't think I look too bad, and of course it's not every time you're in the mood to like slay and do all of that. So, and that's why I have one of those things like the scarf thing to always put on my hair and feel good. I'm even going to go and buy more because that saves me like from trying to put on my wigs or do all of that, because these kids will stress you out and you will sweat out that wig. So I'm not even trying to do all of that. You see, they all had their baths, they're all clean, they're all good, healthy, well fed. So at least I'm doing it well in one department, okay? So yeah, I look like that so my kids can look like this. If that makes sense. So yeah, Olivia is doing the dishes, clearing out the dishes, and I'm so thankful. I'm actually so grateful and thankful for my kids. They actually do a good job with helping out in the house, and I think it all boils down to how I raised them. To know that hey, you have chores, you have to do things in the house, you have to do things, you have to learn how to do things for yourself. You have to start doing things, learn how to. It's like, what do they even call it, like a life skill. It's not something you'll be like, oh, and if I don't know it, it's just a life skill. So you just have to know how to cook, how to clean up after yourself, how to put your things, arrange your things and all that. And they also see me, and I think the fact that they see me do it with so much joy, and do it with so much passion, the way I love. If you know me, then you know that I love one. I love a clean home. I love a home that smells good. I love cooking. Those are some of my favorite things. And of course, I love dressing up and going out to party. Okay, that part, let's not forget it. But yeah, I think them seeing me do these things with so much joy and all, I think it kind of like made them. I realized Olivia started doing the same thing as well. I see her clean sometimes and I'm like, she's doing it just like me, like the way she sees me do it. So, but I'm making breakfast now and yeah. So after we had breakfast, it is time to eat in the afternoon. Of course, this is a chill vlog, so we didn't get to do much. We just chilled, watched a movie, and just chilled, kind of like that's it's proper. It's just like a proper chill day. So now it's time to make lunch for them. When I tell you, when kids don't go to school, they eat 100 times a day. I was not playing, so it's now time, and I decided I'm like, okay, I'm trying to see what I can do, let's explore new things, let's do this, let's do that. So I decided to make them some chicken wrap, and I also made some kind of like grilled sandwich, chicken sandwich as well. And they all came out so bomb, like it came out so good. And yeah, for people asking about my cooking channel, yeah, I still have that going on, and actually I've been posting you know I've been actually posting on there. So if you need that, the link to all my channels are on the description box. So you're just going to click on the link and check it out. I've been putting out some amazing recipes on there. So yeah, I mean, not only I do not only put out like Nigerian recipes, I also put out other recipes. I just love cooking in general, so my food is not just solely Nigerian food. I put out every kind of dish that I love and like making. That's just me. So here I'm making the chicken wrap, and they were already wailing. I had to be quick. This chicken wrap came out so good. It was so good. I couldn't even wait. I was like, this was so good. Yeah, it came out real nice. I'll probably give you guys the recipe maybe on my on my food channel. Yeah, definitely on my YouTube channel. Not even maybe. Not even a maybe.
Let me see the inside.
Like look at that. And after that, I went in my room and of course did some cleanup. The laundry that I did, I had to sort that out and clean up my room. Yeah, I did a real good clean on my room. hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I went ahead to actually vacuum my bed. This is how I usually clean it out, and I also use my Bizzle little green machine to clean it sometimes when I feel like it's dirty enough and it's time to clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section any other type of content or video you want me to make, anything at all, just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not done that already. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.